What if I told you that most people are manifesting the wrong way? That vision boards, affirmations, and positive thinking alone won't bring you what you desire? People think it's all about thinking positively, making a wish, and waiting for the universe to deliver. But here's the truth: manifestation doesn't work the way you think it does. The misconceptions about manifestation. There are so many myths around manifestation. Let's break them down. 1. Just think positive is a lie. Positive thinking is great, but if your subconscious beliefs don't match your desires, it won't work. Example: if deep down you believe money is hard to earn, no amount of positive thinking will override that belief. 2. Vision boards and affirmations alone aren't enough. Vision boards are a great tool, but they don't manifest things for you. Affirmations only work when paired with real belief shifts. More on that later. 3. The law of attraction versus the law of assumption. Law of attraction. Like attracts like, but it's incomplete. Law of assumption. You manifest what you deeply believe to be true about yourself and your life. You don't get what you want. You get what you assume to be true. Have you ever manifested something unexpected, good or bad? That's because your subconscious mind was already programmed for it. Let's talk science. Manifestation isn't magic. It's psychology and energy at work. 1. The RAS, Reticular Activating System. In your brain filters information based on what you believe is important. If you believe opportunities are everywhere, you'll start seeing them. If you believe I'm always broke, you'll subconsciously make choices that reinforce that belief. 2. How energy and vibration actually work. Thoughts create emotions, influence actions, shape reality. If you believe you're capable of success, you'll naturally take action toward it. 3. Why most people stay stuck in their old reality. They keep reinforcing old beliefs instead of shifting their identity. This is key. If you believe you're unlucky, no amount of manifesting will override that belief. The 3-step manifestation process that actually works. Step 1. Shift your identity first. The secret to real manifestation. Stop wanting things. Start embodying the kind of person who naturally attracts them. Example: if you want to manifest wealth, stop saying, "I want money," and start believing, "I am someone who attracts wealth." Step 2. Rewire your subconscious. Daily mindset reprogramming. Journaling method. Write in past tense as if it already happened. Instead of, "I want to be successful," write, "I am successful, and opportunities come easily to me." Self-talk hack. Whenever you catch yourself saying, "I can't," shift it to, "How can I?" Daily visualization. Spend 5 minutes daily feeling the emotions of already having what you want. Step 3. Take inspired action. Move toward what you want. You must act as if your manifestation is already on its way. Example: if you're manifesting a job, don't just wish, apply, network, and prepare. The secret ingredient. Tiny actions daily create massive change over time. The most powerful manifestation exercise. The future self-embodiment. Exercise. Close your eyes. Visualize your future self. Confident, successful, already living the life you want. Ask yourself, how does this version of me think, act, and make decisions? Now, start embodying that energy today. Drop a comment below. Every click brings us closer. Subscribe for more stories.